Okay, here's the tutorial how you are going to change and fix the hand pumps. Step number one, you will just make sure that you put the hand pump somewhere so it's going to be stable, because we will do some movement on this part. And by the way, this is the parts we are going to send you. We are going to send this, and there's a ball, and this ball just going inside. And let's put this here. And step number two is you're just going to unscrew this part. Okay, step number three is you will just unscrew this part to replace to this one. Okay, and you see there's a ball here. This part is important. Step number four. This is the part that we sent you as a spare part to be replaced, and there's a ball inside. So first is you will put this ball inside on the spring just right here, and you just put it back. By the way, all parts can go to garbage, no problem. So you will just tie it and make sure that you can just check the ball is in the place. Step number five is you will just put this part back to hand pump. Okay, and after this the hand pump is repaired. This is the old part. You can just throw it to garbage. So the problem is solved. After all process is finished, let's test the hand pump. As you see, the pressure stays, it doesn't drop down. So the problem is solved. Thank you.